Okay, I'm out here testing the tent. As you can hear, it's pouring. It's been pouring for about around 3 hours. Everything inside the tent is dry. Luna, come here. Lay down. Down. Down, girl. So, we're doing pretty good. The water is very much puddled up outside. The ground is soaking wet. It really is. But there is no water inside this tent whatsoever. I plan to stay out here all night and see if we get any water at all. I don't think we will, especially how well I waterproofed it. So every now and then I'll come back, and I don't have much light in here, so it's kind of difficult. But if I wake up in the middle of the night, I'll try to come back and give you a little bit more of a report and look around. But I don't see no water pooling up anywhere. This is working out well. Catch you guys later. What the hell? Well, it rained all night. It didn't stop. I can tell it's morning now. Sun's not quite up yet. I can hear the birds. And I got some cat meowing all the way around the tent. Probably my little gray guy. He thinks he can come in here with Luna. And Luna? Hey, buddy. Luna? What you doing? What you doing, guy? She slept on our mat all night. But the funny thing about dampness, when you get old, you can feel it in your joints everywhere until you get up and start moving around. It gets to you. So, I don't know, maybe another hour or so I'll get up. But this was successful. There's no water in the tent at all, and it rained all night. It was a constant downpour. A few times it was pouring pretty good. I think it stopped like maybe 20 minutes ago or so. So that was pretty interesting. But this tent's awesome. And it's supposed to rain again tonight, so I'll leave it up and come out and try it again and see how it does. The quilt I'm using, it feels like it's a bit damp, but it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. So this has been kind of cool. But I'm going to get a little bit more sleep. And I don't know, within the next, I guess, a half an hour or so, the sun should be completely up. And it's amazing how this tent stayed so dry. I'm so impressed. This was one heck of a test to be in it. There's no dampness anywhere. All you see is dog hair. I see Luna's dog hair. But everything is super dry in here. So we'll do another video tonight, and we'll just keep pushing the rain into it and see how it does. Catch you guys on the next one.